Hey, greetings and welcome to the channel. Please like, share, and subscribe. And also reach out to me for any help, any assistance. Links to social media will be posted in the video description. So today I'm working on an app, right? I'm continuing work on the app where we add and remove like so, right? And you kind of see here, I was able to receive that feature. Although, right, it doesn't, after I remove it, I need to add our code, right? You can start to see that I'm able to add elements and I'm able to remove elements. And then if I try to update the website object here, right, let's just say remove by 5, right? We're able, we see that we're able to do this and we get 5 clean. And then the thing with Angular, I just wanted to go over to the HTML here. The thing with Angular is that, right, we want to provide a way where we kind of don't delete these, right? We don't want to out of this quantity, because if we try to splice the elements out of the quantity that we have here, we're using to add much more elements, we're going to have the issue. So instead of that, what we can do is you could say null, right? And now when it sees that null block, right, that element is officially gone, right? So now if you just go ahead and refresh the page, right, you want to do a little document create selector all, right, you can see that there's 41, right? And now if we go ahead and remove it, right, we can see that there's 31, knowing that ng template empty without any elements in it means that the element is removed from the DOM. I'm also thinking to myself, if I just make all the else blocks fail, if that will work, but I just rather just have it immediately know that um the element should be removed from the DOM, rather than going through the extra work of that checking all the else blocks, and there's a couple else blocks in here, and trying to figure that out. So that's when we're doing it, even though it's going to make your array larger, right? It's not going to shift, it's not going to ng destroy and ng init all the elements above it, right? For that reason. Thank you. And if you have any suggestions to restrict this array without, causing major havoc with the directives and the lifecycle hooks, let me know. Thanks for watching.